This is a super inspiring event. We've been planning it for 3 years, and how great it is to bring people together. So it's super inspiring. We see partners and other companies that are sharing exactly the same challenges, and it really helps you kind of put things in context, and it gives you the energy to push on through the next set of problems, and you really feel like these people are on your side, and that is a really great place to be.
Innovation Roundtable is a collection of many large multinational companies to meet and discuss challenges that we all face. And they are quite similar regardless of industry.
This is a way for us to work together, but also extend our collaboration and partnership to include other companies, especially when we are now facing, I would say, circularity, sustainability questions where we have to collaborate more.
Of course, events like this are really important to kind of share, to provide context to the innovation challenges we have, but also to inspire our partners and to inspire Tetra Pak to do better, to find early successes.
I think this is really exciting, especially when it connects so much to what you are doing in your daily work. And the big win I have from this is the networking with other companies, with other, I would say, peers from other companies, which is actually working with the same challenges as we are doing in Tetra Pak.
We can find mutual grounds where we can trust each other, and we can step aside of our daily businesses and business relationships and work towards what comes next and what opportunities that lies in. And that builds on trust.
And in addition, our friends, the natural scientists, they tell us that we are running out of time, so we need to move faster.
Sustainability is not anymore a nice to have, is a license to operate. We cannot avoid to do it. Second, it was trigger a reflection for me, good enough. So perfectionism is the enemy. Let's start to work and then refine whilst working, and how with partnership. So we cannot run alone. We cannot pretend to own everything and all the knowledge. Let's be quick and partner up with other experts outside the world. So it's a joint journey that we need to take all together.
It has given us so much in terms of new insights in what other companies are doing, how much we share with respect to sustainability challenges and the different ways that we are addressing them. That to some extent are the same, but to some extent are different, and we learn from that. So I think it's fantastic.
Innovation is a team sport. You cannot do it on your own. If somebody can do it faster or better and has more skills and capabilities than you do, you need to partner with them.